Now, under predefined functions, we are going to discuss about the mathematical functions in C language. The mathematical functions are generally used to perform various operations on variables. Various mathematical operations on variables or values, we can use mathematical functions. These functions are used to perform various mathematical operations. All these functions are available in a separate header file is called as a math.h. It means that I want to use clear screen function and getch, we are using con.io.h header file. I want to use printf, scanf, int, float and so on, we are including #include stdio.h. Same way, if you want to use any mathematical function in your C program, we should include header file is called as math.h header file. The math.h header file having all the functions which are related to the mathematical operations. The math.h is a header file having the functions which are related to the mathematical operations. What are they? Square root, power, sine, cos, tan, roundup value, absolute value. Like that, we have several functions are there. All those functions are available in the math.h header file. The functions of this header file uses integer numbers, floating point numbers, angles. I can add two numbers, two integers or two floats, right? Then I want to perform sine theta, cos theta. It is nothing but angles. So that is the reason it may takes integer value and performs operation. It may take float values perform the operation. It may take angles also and perform the operations. Right? Now, what are the several mathematical functions are available in C language? Here I am listed out some mathematical functions: ABS, absolute, roundup value, sale value, floor value, floor, square root value, power function, sine, cos, tan, log. I am going to discuss these 10 functions. We have some other functions also, but these are the most important functions of the mathematical functions in C language. Now we are going to the first function, ABS. The absolute function ABS is used to calculate absolute value of the given number. Absolute value of the given number. So just take a simple example. It returns one float value, absolute value of float value or variable. Let us consider example. If I given that value as 6.857369, it is not rounding up because 6.85 means 6.9. 6.8 means 7, but it is not performs any roundup operation. It displays exact what you are giving here. It will be displayed as a output. Means it is take the float value or variable means x equals to 6.85. Then we can use x here. So this value which is using here, it will be exactly displayed on the output screen. This is the ABS function, absolute. Second one, roundup. Roundup means I want to round up this value. For example, 85. 85 becomes 6.9 or 6.9 becomes 7. For example, 6.857369. You can convert to up to here, it becomes 7. Up to here, it is 4. Like that, we are performing rounding up the value. This function rounding the value specified number of decimal places. Here, how many decimals are there? 6. I want to convert it to 5 decimals. Means 6.8573. 9 means this becomes 7. 6737. I want to convert to 4. 6.857. Here 6 is there. It will convert to 4. 74. Like that, we have the roundup value. Just take the values. Roundup having two parameters. One is value, another one is number of decimals. This number I am taking one digit. One means only one decimal place, 6.9. Because after 8, 5. 5 means more than 5 or greater than 5, convert to next integer. So 5 means it becomes 9. Now round up to 2, same number. 2 means 2 decimals. 5 7. 7 means it is also greater than 5. So 6, 8, 6. right? 3 digits, 8, 7. Here 3 means less than 5, no change. 8, 5, 7. 4 decimals up to 3, but here 6 is available. 6 means it becomes 4. Like that, this is the round up. Then sail value. Sail, easy for remembering purpose. I give the simple example. Sailing, ceiling value, ceiling fan. It in the top, upper bound. Ceiling is upper. So right, sail value, this function returns upper bound value of the given number. Upper bound value of given float. We are giving one float value, it gives the upper bound value of the value. Means it returns a smallest value, not less than to given number. Just I will explain now. Right? It takes one float value, say this is float, it is converted to integer, the next smallest integer, but it should be greater than 2, it's not less than 2. It is integer means 6 here. It is less than to 6.999. So we are getting that not less than to given number. Means it should be greater than to this. Greater than means 7. It is a next immediate integer is called as a sail value. 6.001 also same. 7 becomes a next integer value. You can't take 6 here because we can't take lesser value. Which are giving here 6.00001 also we can get 7, 6.999 also 7, 6.857369 also we are getting 7. Any number you can take, 6.857 7, 6.97, 6.867, 6.8574 7. Sail value is always next integer. Right? Floor cleaning means it's a upper bound, lower bound, exact opposite to upper bound, lower bound value. So this function returns lower bound value of the given float value. Lower bound means exactly opposite to this, right? Not greater than per this number, not greater than to given number. And if it should not extend 6.9, here it should not less than 6.9, but here it should not greater than to 6.9. We should take only integer value, but is less. Just remember that 6.9 we can take only 6. Only 6. 6.0001 also 6 because just previous integer value is only 6. Here next integer value 7. Here previous integer value 6. Just we have to remember like this. This is called as a sail and float values. Right? Absolute value, exact value will be displayed. Round up, number of decimal places we are giving. Based on that, then it will be round up. Sail value, upper bound value 6.97, 6.001 also 7. 0.001 also 7. Take any number, it will become 7. Take like that, it will be round up and float values. Then next value is square root function. Right? Basically, we have to calculate square root of 25. We need to calculate that 5 into 5, then 1 5 will becomes. Instead of that, in C language we have the square root function. The function returns an integer value or a square root of a given number. Right? Square root of a value. Just take an example, square root of 36, 6. Next power function, 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. 4 power 3, 4 into 4 into 4. For example, 2 power 20, 2 into 2 into 20 times you have to calculate. It is a very time taking process. But we have the one power function. This function calculates power function, power of a given number. It takes 2 parameters and returns a value. It takes 2 parameters. X power y, 2 power 3, 8. Okay, logarithmic value, just the log value of the base 10 will be given by the log function. Log 10 value is 2.3025. If you can give any value, it will give the, you don't need to go for the log table. Just use the log value of any number, it provides the values. Okay, then sin theta, cos theta. So we know that sin 30, but I want to calculate sin 15, sin 10, sin 20, sin 35, sin 36, we don't know. We have only in the mathematical table, we have sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90, sin 180, sin 360. But between, I want to calculate sin 20, it is very time taking process. But here we have the direct formula, sin value you can give you can get this sin 30 minus 5. This minus root 3 minus 1 by root 2 or root 3 by 2, right? This is the cos value again, 10. Right? These are the 10 basic mathematical functions we discuss here. Okay? Now program. Just see the program. Right? Math.h should be add compulsory along with this conio.h and stio.h. Here printf absolute value. Absolute value of 10.56 is up to here the output will be displayed. ABS. What is the ABS value? Exactly what we are having here, exactly it will be displayed on the output screen. Round value, same. Like that we are giving some function. I will explain with the output. Now see here. ABS value of 10.5678, 10.56. Up to here is a text. Right? ABS of absolute value means same, exact value will be displayed. Round up. How many round ups are there? 2 round ups. 2 means 5 up to 2. Here 7 is there. 7 becomes 8. So 7 becomes, it becomes 3 now. 5, 3. Now sale value 10 point something means 10. Sorry, 11. Floor, it may be anything. It becomes now 10. Log value 2.30. Square root of 16, 4. Here I am using percentile F. Percentile F means 4.0000. If it is in percentile D here, it is only 4. This depends on control string. Next, power of 4 comma 2. 4 power 2. 4 into 4, 16. It is float value 16.00000. If it is integer D, then 16. Sign value minus 0.5421. This is the example program for the mathematical functions.